Avocados, the creamy, green fruit that has taken the world by storm. It seems like everywhere you turn these days, someone is raving about the benefits of eating avocados, and it's no wonder why. Avocados are not only delicious, but they are also incredibly nutritious. One of the main reasons why people are so obsessed with avocados is because they are packed with healthy fats. In fact, about 77% of the calories in an avocado come from fat. But don't let that scare you away. These are not just any fats. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are the good kind of fats that can actually help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. But the benefits of avocados don't stop there. They are also loaded with fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. Just one avocado contains about 13 grams of fiber, which is over half of the recommended daily intake for adults. Fiber not only helps keep you regular, but it also helps you feel full and satisfied, making it a great food for weight management. Avocados are also a great source of vitamins and minerals. They are rich in vitamin K, which is important for bone health and blood clotting. They also contain vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your cells from damage. And let's not forget about potassium. Avocados actually contain more potassium than bananas, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and proper muscle function. But perhaps one of the most exciting things about avocados is their versatility. You can eat them on their own, mash them up to make guacamole, slice them up to top a salad, or even blend them into a smoothie. The possibilities are endless. And because avocados have such a mild flavor, they can be easily incorporated into a wide variety of dishes. So how can you start incorporating avocados into your daily diet? One easy way is to simply slice up an avocado and eat it on its own. You can sprinkle it with a little salt and pepper, or drizzle it with some olive oil and balsamic vinegar for a simple and delicious snack. You can also mash up an avocado and spread it on toast, or use it as a replacement for mayonnaise in sandwiches and wraps. If you're feeling a little more adventurous, you can try making your own guacamole. Simply mash up an avocado with some diced tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. You can adjust the seasonings to your liking, adding more salt, pepper, or even some jalapenos for a little kick. Another great way to enjoy avocados is to add them to salads. Simply slice up an avocado and toss it with some mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and your favorite dressing. You can also add some grilled chicken or shrimp for a more filling meal. And let's not forget about smoothies. Avocados are a great addition to smoothies because they add a creamy texture and a boost of nutrients. Simply blend up an avocado with some spinach, banana, almond milk, and a little honey for a delicious and nutritious treat. So whether you're looking to improve your heart health, boost your fiber intake, or simply enjoy a delicious and versatile fruit, avocados are the way to go. With their rich flavor, creamy texture, and endless possibilities, there's no reason not to eat avocados every day. So go ahead, grab an avocado, and start reaping the benefits of this superfood today.